Okay, I opened up both sides of the grill. So you can see how this meat's coming along. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, that was a pork butt, some medium ribs. Now with the chicken, so that chicken's almost done, so I'm already starting to stack the chicken up on top of each other. This is chicken marinated in Caribbean jerk. Again, that's the other side. Now and again, as far as the amount of wood, and you know you got a good grill going when you look at the stack and you don't see a lot of white smoke. It's nice and clear. You know, maybe a light blue puff of smoke. That's all that's coming out of that stack. Amount of wood. You look down here at your wood. That's it. Doesn't require a whole lot of wood either. Again, vents slightly opened. All right, that's gonna be good.